Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an Instagram post on Adobe Express. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google. So as you can see, I've already opened the Google, and now simply we need to write for the Adobe Express. So I'm going to write it for the Adobe Express. We have to open that. And after searching for the Adobe Express, as you can see, here's the Adobe Express website. So we have to open this. Let's click on this. And now we have to go to the Adobe Express. As you can see, now it's open. So as you can see, the Adobe Express is open. In this way, you have to open the Adobe Express. And now simply we need to go to the Instagram square post. As you can see, the sizes are mentioned here. So I'm going to click on this one, Instagram post, which the size is also mentioned here. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on the Instagram post, now we need to select the design, that which line, which design template we want to use. For example, for example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will be inserted here. So we have to click on this and it will be automatically inserted here. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it insert. As you can see, now all the controls are provided here. Like if you want to edit this text, you have to click on this, and after clicking on this here, you will get all the text control. Like if you want to change the text style and the font style and the sizes, all the things are here. If you want to change images, you can also do that. As you can see, you have to click on the images option, and after clicking on the images option, you will get all the options here, like the resize and all the things are provided here. So in this way, you can create an Instagram post on Adobe Express, and you can edit that. You can edit everything, each and everything, whatever you want. And after doing all the things, if you want to download this, simply you have to click on the download button. As you can see, download button is here. So after clicking on the download button, as you can see here, you have to select the format of the file, that which format should be. And after that, simply you need to click on the download. And after clicking on the download, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed. As you can see, it's done. Or if you want, as you can see, it's done. As you can see, it's done. Now if you want to create another post, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create your Instagram post on Adobe Express. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.